Hello, hello. It's another episode of my blog again. Today is a Wacky Wednesday for this stuff. That's gonna be fun. There's some prices. It's ready now. Some of the prices goes to $1,000, $2,000. It depends, And then there's some small prices also. Foods for this stuff. This is gonna be fun for this stuff today. It's a Wacky Wednesday for the stuff. So let's go.
Wacky Wednesday. Oh, yes. Yeah. All
Hi there, Tony.
Hey.
Yorter, pre, nilasing mo si boss nung nakaraan ah.
Lasing ba yan?
Ano na, talagang lasing na lasing si boss. Nilasing ko na eh.
Tao ba? Tao? Tao? It's a Wacky Wednesday. Yes, man. Price is coming on the way. Yeah. It's not all stuff because some of the like the bar is open right
Magic,
now.
boss magic
Yeah.
naman.
Mr. Lawrence is sitting at the corner, and there's the concierge stuff down there. And this one makes the housekeeping. This housekeeping over here, and then this maintenance down here. Plus O'Neill,
Yo, the master.
the master.
O.
Hey.
Yo, where's my keypad?
This is for this pizza. Wings. It's for the staff today. It's for the staff supper. Dessert. Another dessert. Look at that. It's for the staff. It's from Chef Mugas. Mugas. Hey? Philip! Paduls! Here. Look at that. Coconut shrimp. Very good. Hey, Tema. Good, man. Excellent, excellent.
Take a picture.
Stephen.
Brand new phone.
Hi, Tony.
Bagong phone ah.
Dugay na ni?
Dugay ah. Dalawang lens.
Dugay ni ba? Awra na ako gamita ba?
Ah.
Duwa na ako gamita.
Wow.
Kaya price is in the middle.
This far this year, so congratulations, great job. And the one outstanding thing that they say the most is that our staff is exceptional. There's not been a complaint about the staff, so great job. I will tell you, Gobi has more reviews that say how outstanding he is and how he remembers guest names. And this is a whopper of a review, so Gobi, here's some whoppers for you.
Meron blast.
You need to go into the yellow, and you need to come back. Are you ready? Places, on your mark, get set, go.
Everybody, so the person who get the most bucks is the winner. 1, 2, and 3. Start.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6 people are speaking.
Sean, go. Move your arm.
John.
Sean.
So everybody, we're gonna count until 20 seconds. Please help me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One, two, three, go. Fifteen, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job.
Welcome to my vlog.
Auntie, congratulations.
If you interact with the guests, ask them their name. Everyone likes to tell people their names, and everyone really likes the sound of their own name. So if you can repeat that back to guests, that's perfect. Oh! Bioluminescence. Have you ever been to the bioluminescence tour? Do you like colors? Oh my God. All right. Good luck with your spin. What are you looking to win on this wheel right here? 400? Okay, that's a good choice. Wow, that was a powerful spin. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I don't think he believes that it's actually going to be $300. It's $300. Yeah. Okay, and for our last and final spin, you can have it. Amelia thinks you need to be a little bit more excited when you win $300. Yeah, let's hear it, come on, please. There you go. We have Mr. Paul Porter, who recently joined us. He's working with our marketing team. So Paul, welcome to the resort. I'm wishing you all the best on the spin. Oh, you see this guy. Okay, here we go. What's it gonna be? Stingray Swing! All the housekeeping staff is saying 400, so Ray will let you share it with them. $25. Okay, here we go. Get your tickets out. The number is 551. Who is it? All right, come on up. It's his first time ever spinning. Good luck to you, Rafi.
400.
Okay, what are we gonna get here?
25.
25! Miss Perry, looks like we have to shake this wheel up a little bit. We're gonna get 25. Congratulations.
I think that's new program.
Here's our number. 551 599. It's all up to you. Change the fate of the wheel. Oh, $200! The final number for the final spin. 551 552. Who is it? If you need to go out in a boat on a long journey, you carry this man. Okay? If there's a lightning storm, you stand next to this man. He has fun in just about every Wacky Wednesday that I can remember. He's probably the luckiest person in our staff. Stingray trip! Have you ever been to Stingray City? Never been? No? Well, you're about to go to Stingray City. Where are you going? Go get your tickets. Bring it back and show us, okay? I look forward to our next Wacky Wednesday. Until then, keep impressing our guests. Remember the perfect end. Mario with the stingray.
Hey, that's the Wacky Wednesday all about. It's our staff annual party actually. Every 3 months we have this they call Wacky Wednesday. And somehow there's like big prices, you know. Somehow like it goes to $1,000, it goes to $2,000. It depends. Every like spin the wheel, that's like money or some consolation prizes like Stingray City, like gift card from the from posters, the grocery stores, you know. And there's a lot of consolation prizes actually, and it's fun, and that's what all about. This company is doing a lot of things for the staff, you know. It's not just work every day, and they have those stress, I can call a stress reliever, you know. And you know, once you got those, you have to unwind, sit down, relax, foods, drinks, like not drinks, but like Coke, water, dessert, and everything. And you know, like fun. It's fun. There's a lot of game also. You can win so many prizes, you know. That's all about. Anyway, I see you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my Facebook page, and then my IG, the Naked Mixology. And have a good night, because it's already night. You know, I can't just continue when the party is done, because at the bars they start getting busy. So I just like run going down and serve the guests. So now that's why this is the only time that I got right now. I close the bar, and that's it. And I do my report, and that's it. I go home, and I see you next time. Thank you.